In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about how the menu system of the websites, the mobile websites that you create, work in EzMobileSiteGenerator. Here I'm on the page where I have a list of my websites, my mobile websites that I've created using EzMobileSiteGenerator in this particular blog installation. So if I choose this first one here, Enrico Pizza, this is the actual link to the main page of the site. But if I click View Site Pages, what this shows me now is all the individual pages that make up this mobile site. So the first entry that you see is the main home page of the site. Then down below that we have all the other individual pages that make it up. When you see a single dash, that means it's one level menu going down. So here this is our top level menu, opening hours, menu, location and delivery. Down here you see the page title. This is what will actually be displayed on the navigation menus that you see on your mobile sites that you create. So opening hours, menu, location, free delivery would be the actual menu choices. And we can actually see it. Let's just go into Enrico Pizza here and let's go down and look at the preview screen. So we come down here and here we go. There are our choices down there: opening hours, menu, location and free delivery. Okay, let's just go back now. So let me just use the current site setting to take me back there. Okay, so those were our things: opening hours, menu, location, free delivery. That was our first level menu. Now here you can see underneath menu we've got three other pages: stuffed cheese, thin pizza and pasta. So let me just go into this page here and let's use the preview again to go down and look and see what the menu looks like there. So there we go. When they come to this, they've come down and there's that additional menu. Now let me go back again to current site. On this particular mobile site here, I've only got two levels of menu. I've got my home page here, then my first level of menu, which is opening hours, menu, location and delivery. And then under menu I've got a second level, which is stuffed cheese, thin pizza and pasta. Now if I wanted to, I could have a further sub menu down below that. So pasta could be broken down into lasagna, tagliatelle, spaghetti, whatever we wanted to have there. You can go as deep with the menu levels as you want, and the program will sort everything out for you and create all the different levels of the mobile site for you. So you can have a very, very large mobile site that is actually very, very easy to navigate around because everything's done. The multi-level menus work you back, down and up the pages and everything like that. So it's very, very easy to use, very, very simple. In terms of how the menu actually looks, let's just go back here to Enrico Pizza and look down at the preview and let me explain a little bit about that. So come down here, here's my menu here. You can have this icon here at the left. As you see, I've got an icon for each of the different items, and you can choose which icon to use for those. You can choose whether you want the arrow displayed at the right hand side or not, and you can choose what style of arrow to use for it. You can set the text that goes on the menu through the setting as well and do it. Now you can either have this style of menu where it comes down the page like this, and you can have it any way you want. You can, there are fast settings to make it at the top so it would appear up here or at the bottom, which I've done on this particular website, and so it's down at the bottom of the page on this one. So I've got some text above it here. If I change the setting to top, it would appear up the top up here. Or you can use a custom setting, which then lets you put a shortcode in at whatever point on the page you want the menu to appear. So maybe you wanted to have some text like this up here and then your menu, and then below the menu you wanted more text. then you can do that. We've got a custom setting for that. All you need to do that is you come to your menu and you take this setting here, this shortcode, place that where you want to place it inside the text that you've got in your editing screen. So in the text area here, just wherever you want to put it, and that's where the menu will appear. So very, very simple. You can have either top, bottom, or customized level menus using that style. Now the other thing is, if we look at the thumbnails that you use, you just click here and you can choose what style of icon you want to use and what color. Now this is the top page for Enrico's Pizza, so because of that, that isn't applicable for a menu because this particular page isn't on a menu. But if, for instance, let's look at a different one. Let's go to the menu one, this one here that has that little pizza sign on it. Let's go back to current site and go to menu. And if I come down here, you see there's my thumbnail icon there, and I've chosen it to be in dark blue. I could have had it in light blue, green, yellow, or orange. If I wanted to use my own custom image for the icon on the menu, then I can upload an image from here. Now the other thing I can do is, instead of having vertical menus like that, I can have icons as menus. In that case, what would actually happen, let's go back to the main part of our site, and let's just change that and show you what actually happens. That's the easiest way to do that. Let's change this from vertical to icon and save my changes. And then let's go down and look at our preview again. So I come down to our preview. You see now that instead of having a vertical menu, I've got the icons showing here with the text underneath. So there's my menu, and if I go to that now, notice that while I'm in this preview mode, I can actually navigate around the site. So now that icon style has filtered its way down through the whole site. So the individual pages now use their icons in this style as well. So you can choose how to have your menu set up. It's very, very flexible in that respect. Let's just explain how the multi-level part of the menus works. Let's go back to look at our current site. And you see these ones here. Let's go first of all to maybe menu. We'll use that one, and then I can show you these stuffed pizza, thin pizza, and pasta after that. So let's go to menu. You see it's a first level menu from Enrico Pizza. So let's go there. We actually set that up just simply by choosing here the parent setting on the right hand side. So that's it there. Now it's set to be that Enrico Pizza. Okay, so I did that. Here we put an order setting, and this is the order within the menu. Now you remember that going back to our settings, the top menu choice was opening hours, and then the menu was the second choice, the location was the third choice, and the free delivery was the fourth choice. So we put in here number 2, and that makes our menu appear as the second item in the menu for us. And here, where we put page title, this is what determines the text that appears on the menu. So if I look down here at the pages, you see underneath this menu we have stuffed cheese, thin pizza, and pasta. So let me go back again to current site. If I go to let's say stuffed cheese, I look here on the right hand side and you see Enrico menu has been chosen, and this is number 1. Let me just go back. Thin, Enrico menu again, number 2. Enrico Pasta, this one, go to that one. Enrico menu number 3. So you see it's very, very simple to set up the menus and have multi-level menus. Even this pasta one, as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to have a further level of menus for spaghetti, tagliatelle, lasagna, and all those different things. Then all I would do is add some new pages, and here in the parent, I would choose Enrico Pasta as the parent, and I would have then on this pasta page, I'd have another menu that took me down to the next level. And you can step all the way down as many different levels of menu as you want. They all just cascade down amongst themselves. So, like I said, very, very simple structure to use. Makes it very, very easy to build up multi-level menu pages. And in terms of the display on here, you see where there's a single dash, it means it's the first level menu. Where there are 2, it means it's the second level menu, and they're always indented underneath the menu, the next level menu up. So if I created some options under delivery for delivery within 10 minutes, maybe another option for delivery to a different place, something like that. Or under location, maybe we might have several different locations. Maybe we're in Manhattan, Brooklyn, the Bronx, Queens. Maybe we've got different locations, and you could have a different page for each different location. So you can set the menus up however you want to, and it is very, very simple to use and very simple to set up.